I'm Kayla and I'm an apprentice. I'm taking welding. I took the welding class in high school and fell in love with it. I went home to my parents one day and I said, I really like welding. I think I want to see if I could do it for a full-time job and still enjoy myself. Got a part-time job one summer doing it, and I just signed up for my apprenticeship. So I started my apprenticeship while I was still in high school. And I wanted the best kind of technical training that I could. I wanted to go to one that was more known for welding. It's very tough. I pretty much have to save every penny. My first job, I had to supply all my own protective equipment and all that stuff. At the shop I'm at now, they provide us with coveralls and gloves and a boot allowance every year. While you're in school, you qualify for employment insurance. So it's not close to what you make when you're actually working, but it does help somewhat. Depending where you work, a lot of companies will pay for your tuition and everything. When you're applying for jobs, you just have to ask them. And there's lots of scholarships and grants and stuff that you can apply for when you're in school. But I was really excited when I finally got the letter saying that I was accepted. I was pretty scared at first. I didn't know what to expect, really. I was definitely nervous about how I would be treated, because I'm going into a trade that a lot of women don't go into. And so I kind of thought all the guys would kind of be judging me and stuff and expecting a lot of me. And once I got there, it was everyone was great. Nobody was like that at all. And everyone was really friendly and it was really fun. While you're apprenticing, you get to work full time 10 months of the year. And then you go to school for 2 months. To get my job, I just went to a bunch of welding shops, told them I was an apprentice. I was working 7:30 in the morning till 6 o'clock at night for a while, so I couldn't really do anything during the week, but I had 3-day weekends, so that was when I kind of got to hang out with my friends and do that kind of thing. I've always wanted a job that I knew that I could wake up every morning and go to work and love what I do. My parents are very supportive of it. My dad's ecstatic at what I'm doing. He loves it. He tells everyone, because my daughter's a welder. I needed help finding my application forms to become an apprentice, but then after that they send you all your updates and stuff and what you need to know. If you are in your booth welding or whatever and your weld's just not going very good, you just go grab an instructor and they'll come into your booth and give you a one-on-one demo, or they'll watch what you're doing and tell you how to correct it. It's very helpful. I really like it. I really like welding and I just really enjoy what I do.